Introduction: crypto holders as a potentially decisive voting bloc. As the US presidential election draws near, a unique and growing demographic might be influential cryptocurrency holders. With the rising popularity and adoption of digital currencies, crypto advocates are making their voices heard, and their influence could be pivotal in determining the outcome of the election. According to recent data, around 1 in 5 Americans now owns cryptocurrency, a trend reflecting how mainstream digital assets have become. For the first time in US history, cryptocurrency holders could form a key voter bloc that could sway electoral outcomes, particularly in battleground states where every vote counts. This new voting power is catching the attention of candidates who now recognize that policies surrounding digital currencies could significantly impact their chances of winning. This realization has led candidates to increasingly address their stance on crypto regulation, with many voters considering crypto policies a high priority when choosing their candidate. Crypto voters as a growing influence. The influence of crypto voters is underpinned by impressive statistics. Surveys suggest that between 7% and 21% of Americans are invested in cryptocurrencies, which equates to roughly 18 to 50 million people. Even at the lower end, this represents a substantial voting bloc with the power to influence policies and candidates. Moreover, close to 75% of these crypto investors are now factoring candidates' crypto stances into their voting decisions, indicating that many consider crypto policy an essential issue. In key swing states like Arizona and Georgia, the impact of these voters could be especially significant, given the narrow margins of previous elections. For instance, in the last election, the margin of victory in these states was smaller than the number of crypto advocates currently registered to vote. As a result, pro-crypto political action committees, or PACs, and interest groups are actively mobilizing in these states, sending crypto advocates to promote policies that support the industry. Notably, the Fair Shake Pro-Crypto PAC has raised over $200 million this election cycle, one of the largest amounts raised by any PAC. This level of funding underscores the political force that crypto investors have become. Former President Donald Trump has emerged as a somewhat surprising advocate for cryptocurrency. He has proposed policies like adding Bitcoin to the US strategic reserve, alongside traditional assets such as gold. Trump's commitment to a light-touch approach to crypto regulation appeals to many in the crypto community, who fear over-regulation could stifle innovation and growth. However, some industry experts question his authenticity, as he was previously vocal about his skepticism toward digital currencies, even calling crypto a scam just a few years ago. This dramatic shift has led some to wonder if his current pro-crypto stance is a genuine commitment, or simply a strategic move to appeal to this newly influential voting bloc. Nonetheless, if he follows through on his promises, Trump could indeed create a favorable environment for crypto investors and companies by easing regulatory restrictions and embracing crypto as part of the nation's financial future. Vice President Kamala Harris, though not as explicitly pro-crypto, represents a different approach. Harris has not taken a strong position on cryptocurrency, but she has expressed a commitment to supporting emerging technologies, which includes blockchain. However, the Biden administration has generally been seen as anti-crypto, creating some skepticism among crypto advocates about Harris's stance. Although Harris has not openly opposed crypto, she has also not distanced herself from the administration's regulatory approach, which many in the industry view as restrictive. Despite these concerns, Harris has spoken about her vision for America's role in advancing technology, particularly in areas like biomanufacturing, aerospace, artificial intelligence, and blockchain. Her age and openness to innovation have led some to hope that she may take a more supportive approach to crypto if elected, especially given her statements about investing in sectors that define the next century. By appealing to the broader tech sector, Harris could reassure voters that she sees the economic and job growth potential that a robust crypto industry could provide. The noticeable shift in political attitudes toward cryptocurrency can be attributed to 3 primary factors: political donations, lobbying, and increased education on digital assets. As cryptocurrency has grown in popularity, the industry has become a valuable source of political contributions, providing financial support to candidates who favor crypto-friendly policies. Lobbying efforts have also intensified, with crypto companies and advocates pushing for favorable regulatory frameworks. For instance, lobbyists emphasize the economic benefits of a thriving crypto market, including job creation and potential US leadership in digital finance. Additionally, increased public and political understanding of crypto's potential has helped shift attitudes. Industry leaders, such as Marathon Digital CEO Fred Thiel, argue that Bitcoin's limited supply and perceived stability make it a strong asset, similar to gold. Thiel emphasizes that Bitcoin's value lies in its scarcity and that, much like valuable art, it holds value because people believe in its worth. The increased understanding of crypto as a legitimate asset has helped sway some politicians, who now see it as a potential economic opportunity rather than just a speculative asset. In discussions about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is often highlighted as the perfect asset, and advocates like Fred Thiel believe that Bitcoin's limited supply will make it increasingly valuable. As Thiel points out, Bitcoin has a fixed cap of 21 million coins, a feature that differentiates it from traditional currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities. This scarcity makes Bitcoin comparable to valuable physical assets, like gold or rare artwork. Thiel argues that as demand for Bitcoin grows, especially from institutional investors, the price will continue to increase. He envisions a future where countries, corporations, and even financial institutions hold Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, leading to further price appreciation. Thiel's comparison of Bitcoin to monopolistic tech giants, such as Google or Facebook, highlights the idea that Bitcoin is not just an asset, but a powerful financial network. By serving as a digital monopoly of money, Bitcoin could become the ultimate store of value, potentially more secure and lasting than traditional investments. This perspective has captured the interest of many in the crypto community, who see Bitcoin as an opportunity to participate in a new and transformative financial system. Final reflections. What the crypto community expects. As the election approaches, the question remains, which candidate is truly best for the crypto industry? Some argue that Trump's pro-crypto policies could create a more favorable environment, as long as he follows through on his promises. However, not all crypto voters are single-issue voters, and many are considering the broader political landscape and each candidate's other policies. Harris, though not as explicitly supportive, could appeal to crypto voters with her vision for advancing technology and innovation. Her acknowledgement of the need for US leadership in emerging sectors may resonate with those who view blockchain and crypto as essential for future economic growth. The recent surge in political interest in crypto can be seen as a response to increased donations, lobbying, and a more educated view of digital assets as a legitimate industry. Whether this interest will translate into favorable policies remains to be seen, but it reflects the newfound importance of the crypto industry in American politics. In closing, the crypto community is encouraged to stay engaged and informed as they consider which candidates' policies align best with their vision for the future. This election could mark a turning point for digital assets, and every crypto advocate has a role in shaping that future.